CozyBunz Diaper Sprayer, premium stainless steel by CozyBunz is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. Introducing the CozyBunz Cloth Diaper Sprayer. No more dunking and swishing your cloth diapers. CozyBunz Cloth Diaper Sprayer takes the mess out of cloth diapers, literally. This quality cloth diaper sprayer is constructed of stainless steel, providing years of use. Easy installation can be completed in minutes. Teflon tape and rubber washers are included to provide a leak-free experience. The trigger sprayer can easily adjust the water pressure to your needs, from a light spray to a power wash. Included in the box is the handheld stainless steel diaper sprayer, flexible 4-feet hose with rubber washer, wall toilet tank holster mount, brass T-valve 7/8-inch, Teflon tape, and easy step-by-step installation instructions. Premium and durable stainless steel cloth diaper sprayer. Complete kit includes stainless steel diaper sprayer, stainless steel hose, wall toilet tank holster mount, brass T-valve, instructions, Teflon tape, and washers. Adjustable pressure sprayer, light spray to power wash. Quick easy installation, no plumber required. Wall mount and toilet hanger included in package.